Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sourdough jar is probably one of the most essential tools for any home baker looking to cultivate and maintain a thriving sourdough starter, ensuring consistent results and delicious bread every time. This seemingly simple container plays a crucial role in the fermentation process, offering protection, visibility, and ease of use for bakers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Number 5. ABIOTO Sourdough Starter Kit. Discover the ideal way to nurture your sourdough starter. Our kit offers the perfect jar size for your baking needs, with options for even larger batches. This all-in-one kit is perfect for beginners and makes a wonderful gift. It includes everything you need to get started, from the jar to feeding accessories. Get more for your money with this complete sourdough kit. It features a durable glass jar and includes access to free instructions and recipes via a QR code. Simplify your baking process with our uniquely marked container. It features clear measurements in both cups and milliliters, making prep a breeze for home bakers. Invest in a sourdough kit built for durability. With high-quality materials and lasting markings, you can bake with confidence. We stand by our promise of quality. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to get started, including helpful measurements right on the jar. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use package with great value, this is a fantastic choice. It simplifies the process with included accessories and helpful guides, making your first sourdough journey smooth and enjoyable. What people say. The painted indicators on the outside of the jar are clear and haven't rubbed off or changed. I've washed it repeatedly. The same for the temperature strip, that I was concerned might come off even with hand washing. Love the extra temp strip provided. I love the spatula, as it easily scrapes the jar with simple circular, go around the jar movements, versus my old way of doing it having to scrap over and over from the top of the jar toward the bottom. So much faster just holding the spatula and turning the jar and spatula in a circle. The design of the glass jar is thick, like a mason canning jar. It's a 412 cup, 1,100 milliliters, size and has a large opening with a screw-on lid. The measurements are marked in black lettering with cups and MLS. Number 4. Sourdough Starter Kit, 38 ounces with Cookbook. Unlock the secrets to perfect sourdough with our all-in-one kit. It includes everything you need to easily create and maintain your starter. From easy feeding and cleaning to precise measurements, this kit simplifies every step. You'll achieve consistent, delicious results every time. Beginner-friendly instructions, including video guides, make learning to make your starter a breeze. Explore a world of flavor with 8 recipe categories. Keep your starter thriving with simple tracking tools. Marked bands show feeding times, and a thermometer ensures optimal growth conditions. This generously sized jar is perfect for making multiple loaves, fitting conveniently in your fridge. Its durable construction ensures lasting use. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated support. Designed by experts, this kit is your gateway to creating cherished family baking traditions. What we like. With a generous 38-ounce size and a helpful cookbook, this option is perfect for families or those who bake larger batches. If you're looking to make multiple loaves or want a durable jar that can withstand temperature changes, this is an excellent pick. Its size ensures you have enough starter for your baking needs without constant feeding. What people say. The feeding band and date marks make keeping track of your starter super easy. The markings on the side of the jar helps keep track the growth of the starter. I like the silicone bottom, which can be used as a lid, but keep in mind that it's pretty tight if you're looking to vent. Number 3. Benicci Ultimate Sourdough Starter Jar Kit. Discover the joy of homemade sourdough bread and pizza with our all-inclusive kit. It provides everything you need to easily create delicious starters right in your own kitchen. This stylish 31.8-ounce jar offers ample space for creating enough starter for up to 4 loaves of bread. Its wide mouth makes feeding and cleaning incredibly simple. Never lose track of your starter's feeding schedule again. The included elastic band makes it easy to monitor feeding times and starting levels, ensuring consistent results. Our included recipe provides clear, step-by-step instructions to help you craft your starter from scratch. You'll achieve professional quality results, even if you're a beginner. Crafted from top-quality, food-grade materials, this kit is safe for the whole family. We've included only the essential tools for perfect dough creation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This complete sourdough starter kit is an ideal present for any baking enthusiast, especially around the holidays. What we like. This kit stands out with a unique dough scraper and a wide-mouth jar for ultimate convenience. If you prioritize ease of use, especially when it comes to cleaning and handling your starter, this is the one for you. The thoughtful inclusion of extra tools makes managing your sourdough starter a breeze. What people say. The 31.8 ounces reusable sourdough jar is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a welcome addition to any kitchen. The reusable jar serves as the perfect vessel for cultivating and storing your sourdough starter, eliminating the need for multiple containers and minimizing mess. Made from durable glass, it is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use and can be safely cleaned in the dishwasher for added convenience. Number 2. Complete Sourdough Bread Starter Kit. Unlock the secrets to delicious, homemade sourdough bread with our all-inclusive kit. It's perfect for bakers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. This comprehensive kit provides everything necessary to create nutritious and flavorful sourdough. You'll find a specialized jar, proofing basket, and a wealth of other essential baking supplies. Crafted with quality in mind, it includes a glass jar with tracking, a rattan proofing basket, a Danish whisk, a scoring lane with stencils, and more. Learn the art of sourdough with our included recipe and guide book. Discover step-by-step instructions and explore exciting recipes like Tuscan olive and cheesy jalapeno. Experience the wonderful health benefits of homemade sourdough. It's the perfect way to enjoy delicious, gluten-free bread that's good for you. As an American-owned company, we stand by our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year brand warranty. What we like. This is the most complete package, even including a bread proofing basket for that artisan finish. If you're serious about making delicious, healthy sourdough, especially gluten-free options, and want a comprehensive set of tools, this kit is ideal. The added warranty provides extra peace of mind for your baking endeavors. What people say. This kit does not come with starter, but it definitely has all the necessary tools you need to begin your sourdough making journey. The recipes are great, and the instructions in the book tell you exactly what you need to do. It also provides recipes to be used with the discard. The silicone spatula is perfect for scraping the starter from the sides of the jar. Number 1. Artisan Sourdough Starter Kit. Unlock the joy of homemade artisan bread with our complete sourdough starter kit. Everything you need is included to begin your baking adventure. This kit comes with a glass jar and lid, a precise kitchen scale, and more essential tools. It's designed for easy sourdough care and feeding. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is a wonderful present for women, bakers, moms, or wives. It's an ideal Christmas or birthday surprise. Create delicious, crusty artisan bread right in your own kitchen. Our kit makes the process simple and rewarding. Maintaining your sourdough starter has never been easier. Follow our guidance to keep your starter healthy and active for delicious bakes. Give the gift of delicious, homemade bread. This kit provides all the essentials for a fulfilling baking experience. What we like. This kit comes with a crucial kitchen scale for precise measurements, making it perfect for those who love accuracy. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a baker or want to elevate your artisan bread making game with exact ingredient ratios, this is a superb option. It ensures consistency and professional results in your homemade loaves. What people say. Jars are easy to clean and wide rims make easy clean feeding. It comes with the scale and the scale is awesome. It's extremely accurate and I've put it through a lot of tests. The rest of the kit's great too, but that scale didn't expect it. In the kit size, it's amazing storage capacity, exactly what I need for my starters, great quality, and again the scale alone is valued for the money, let alone in the whole kit, amazing quality. Perfect for what I need. Perfectly simple and just right for my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.